Good morning, students. Welcome to the SST class. Today I am going to explain the remaining part of lesson 7. Lesson 7 is our festivals. In previous class, I have already explained about the national festivals and religious festival. So today I am going to explain the harvest festivals. Listen carefully, all of you. Before that, I am going to ask you, what do you mean by national festival and religious festival? And which are national festival and which festivals are religious festival? Tell me. Oh, some of them have learned nicely. Good, very good. Now come to the harvest festival. Pay attention. Harvest festival is an important activity in a country. It is the time to rejoice because crops are ready for harvest. The festivals that mark the change of seasons are called harvest festivals. These festivals are known by different names and celebrated in different ways across the country. These are Bihu, Onam, Pongal, Baisakhi, etc. Now come to the Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festivals of Assam. 3 Bihus are celebrated in a year. Buffalo fight, big bonfires, singing, dancing, and feasting are part of the festivals. Now come to the Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 3 days. Pongal is prepared by cooking rice in milk and jaggery. Now, people also draw columns to decorate their houses. Cattle are washed, painted, decorated with garlands. Now come to the Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It is called the festival of flowers. People wear new clothes and eat a special meal which is served on banana leaves. This is called Onam Sadhya. Boat races are held at number of places in Kerala. Now come to the Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of North India. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm in Punjab. The men perform the Bhangra to the beat of the dhols while the women do the Gidda. Now come to the festival of North East. Wangala, festival of Meghalaya, Hornbill, festival of Nagaland, Chapcha Cut is a spring festival of Mizoram. So these are the harvest festivals which I have explained. Harvest festival means जब खेत में जब अनाज और फसल बड़े हो जाते हैं और हार्वेस्टिंग का समय हो जाता है, तो फसल कटने के बाद ऑल ओवर इंडिया में अलग अलग तरह से उसको हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, खुशी मनाते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ some festivals we celebrate as the birthdays of great people. The birthday of Gautam Buddha is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. Previously I explained. Also we celebrate birthday of Mahabir as a Mahabir Jayanti. Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday on 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day, all of you knowing. The birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan on 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. So these are the festivals which we are celebrating throughout the year. Some are national festivals, some are religious festivals, and some are harvest festivals. So you all will learn or read lesson carefully and also underline the hard words which I have already explained. So that's all. Have a nice day. Be safe at home. Bye bye.